I see so frequently people say that Google Sheets is the best CRM out there. It is absolutely not. It's not even a discussion. I think the people who are really talking about Google Sheets being an amazing CRM is only really because they're not fully utilizing the CRM to their full potential. And today, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 super simple reactivation campaigns that you absolutely have to be running in your CRM at all times to generate business, even when you're sleeping. The first thing I wanted to talk to you about was a referral request campaign. So I'm inside of Inabox right here, although most CRMs, I assume, should have the capacity to do this. I'm not sure whichever one you're using right now. So I'm just going to call this referral request up here at the top. So let's kind of create that first action. So let's say we want every 4 months or so, we want to ask somebody if they know anybody looking to purchase or sell a home. So let's say every 120 days, we're going to save that right there. So wait 120 days before sending us an SMS saying, hey, first name, it's been a minute, hope all is well. I was wondering if you know of anyone looking to buy or sell a home. And then very simple, after you've done that, you've just, again, wait another 120 days. That's, again, another 4 months. And then you basically write another version of the same text. Hey, it's Oliver again from XYZ Brokerage. I was reaching out to ask if you know of anyone looking to buy or sell a home. Save action. Again, nice, simple. Wait another 4 months or so. And again, just to kind of be clear right now, this is 4 months that we've rated 3 times. So that's a full year. So right here, we're up to the full year. So you can also use ChatGPT to kind of repurpose this and create these campaigns however you want. But hey, contact me. I'm not sure if you know of anyone looking to get into this real estate market. Do you have any friends, let's say, looking to buy or sell at the moment? There we go. So after you've done that, you've now got 1, 2, 3 texts being sent every 4 months. This is going to be a full year. So all you want to do at the end is just literally go back to the beginning. So now if you look, you wait 120 days, send a text, wait, send a text, wait, send a text, and then it goes right back to the beginning where it waits again and we'll send a text. So this campaign right here that we just set up, every single 4 months until the end of time, we'll send a text basically saying, do you know of anybody looking to buy or sell a home? Yes, the text will be the same, but remember, if this text is sent out January 1st, 2021, this text will not be sent out again until January 1st, 2022. The second thing I want to tell you about is a periodic check-in. So it's the same kind of idea, but we're going to make it a little bit more of a conversation starter, right? So let's call this a check-in campaign right there. Forget about the trigger right now. We're going to send an SMS saying, hey, first name, it's been a minute since we connected. How's everyone doing? Nice, simple like that to start a conversation. Okay, again, wait another 4 months. Let's even say 3 months. All right, wait 90 days. Again, send another text. Hi, first name, haven't reached out in a while, so I wanted to say hi. How are you guys? How's the house hunting coming along? Again, nice, simple. You got the idea. Wait again. Let's do 120 days this time, because why not? Hey, first name, it's Oliver. Save that action. So now, as soon as somebody's added to this trigger, to this workflow, it's going to wait 90 days before send them a text saying, hey, it's been a minute since we connected. How's everyone doing? Then it's going to wait another 90 days before sending them the next text saying, hey, haven't reached out in a while, so I wanted to say hi. How are you guys? How's the house hunting coming along? Then it waits another 120 days before it sends the final thing, right? Before it sends the final text, which is, hi, it's Oliver. Been a minute since I reached out. I want to see how things are going. Have you managed to find a home yet? Or are you guys still looking? So by doing this, what you've now created, besides for the previous campaign that we just built, we've now created a check-in campaign where every 3 to 4 months or so, you're just reaching out to everyone in your database saying, hey, how are things? How's the house hunting coming along? So you're going to save that. And then what's awesome is if you put everybody into this, you're now reaching out. Let's say you have 1,000 people in your database. 1,000 people are now receiving text from you every couple of months saying, hey, how are things going? How's the house hunting coming along? That can turn into a lot of really great high quality conversations very, very quickly. You could put voicemail drops into that campaign. You could send emails in that campaign. It doesn't just have to be text. It doesn't have to be 90 days or 120. It could be as many as you want. It could be 101 days, 94. It doesn't matter. The idea is that it's periodic and it is unstructured and informal in nature, which will allow it to sound as authentic and genuine as possible. Final thing that I wanted to discuss is what I call a 2-step post. So this can be done via SMS or email. The idea is very simple. You reach out to everybody in your database and you say, I just created a guide on the most affordable communities here in this county. mind if I send it over? Just send them a text. And then it's just very quick, yes, no question. If they say yes, say awesome, send that guide over and say, how are you guys doing, by the way? Have you managed to find your home yet? Are you still looking? Or whatever your lead magnet is. But the idea is you reach out, say, hey, I just created this thing of value. Can I send it over to you? Yes, sure you can. Or no, I'm not interested at the moment. No worries. But the idea is that it's a really great, easy way to spark a conversation out of absolutely nothing. So if you have these 3 campaigns running at all times, a referral campaign, a check-in campaign, and if you run occasional 2-step posts every 3 to 4 months, at a time, you will have a consistent flow of conversations happening at all times from people who are inside of your database. And remember, every time you have a conversation, not only are they a little bit closer to actually purchasing or selling their home, but you're creating another touch point, which will make it a lot more likely that they're actually going to go ahead and work with you when they are ready to purchase or sell their next home.